And over here in the washroom I have yet another fail story that the carpenter committed here. This divider here was installed a few months ago, and this is how it looks like. Both of the screws here failed in it. So what happened here? Well, this screw is not holding too much. It can be pulled out just like so, and the second screw further at the back was slightly longer, but it looks like this. So this one is a number 8 screw of decent length, so far so good, and this one is a number 14 screw. Why bother using 2 screws that are of identical thickness and identical length? Yeah, that's overwhelming already for this carpenter, and we know who he was. This is PG's work. So the reason why both of these screws failed, despite their massive size or otherwise sufficient length, is, if you take a look at it, that screw is barely catching the edge of the countertop, and the countertop, of course, needs to be pre-drilled with the appropriate size or appropriate diameter and appropriate length of drill bit, so that the screw that goes in doesn't split the wood like this. Take a look at this misery here. There, that's how this looks like. You can see that the screw just split the edge of the countertop. So apparently this was overwhelming PG, and it's gonna be fixed with these very simple tools and 3 minutes or so of paying attention.